Today we discuss mode of heat transfer. So continue the topic. Introduction to heat transfer. Heat transfer. When two objects of different temperature are close to each other, then heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature, and this process is known as heat transfer process. Methods of heat transfer. Basically there are three methods of heat transfer. First is conduction, second is convection, and third is radiation. Application in which heat transfer are used: chemical industries, refrigeration, power plants. The unit of heat transfer is joule and the unit of rate of heat transfer is watt, joule per second. Now we talk about what is conduction. In conduction, heat is transferred from one molecule to another by direct contact, and this is known as conduction heat transfer. प्योर कंडक्शन इज डन इन सॉलिड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, जब हम मेटल रॉड को गर्म करते हैं तो हीट ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती है एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक ऑटोमेटिकली बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंडक्शन. व्हाट इज कन्वेक्शन? हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड बाय द एक्चुअल मोशन ऑफ मैटर. एस हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड थ्रू अ फ्लूइड सच एज वाटर और गैस. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन अ वाटर बॉइल्स इन अ पैन, then warmer parts of a gas of liquid move up while the cooler parts move down due to density difference. Now we talk about what is radiation. In this, heat is transferred by electromagnetic waves. For example, the temperature of a lamp can be transferred to a thermometer without touching it. In this, heat is transferred between two objects without physical contact. For example, heat is transferred through space by waves like sun rays. Now we discuss steady state heat transfer. In this system, the temperature in every point not changes with time, then this is known as steady state heat transfer. जैसे कि सिस्टम में टेम्परेचर एवरी पॉइंट पर सेम नहीं हो रहा टाइम के हिसाब से, देन दिस इज नोन एज स्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर. नाउ व्हाट इज अनस्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर? In this system, the temperature change in every point with time, then this is known as unsteady state heat transfer. Now, what is temperature gradient? A temperature gradient refers to the rate of change of temperature over a certain distance or in a particular direction. As dt upon ds equal to I cap dt upon dx plus y cap dt upon dy plus z cap dt upon dz. Now, what is heat flux? Heat flux, also known as thermal flux or heat transfer rate, refers to the amount of heat energy transferred per unit area per unit time. Q equal to Q upon A. In this, Q is heat flux, Q is amount of heat transfer, and A is area.